what's up, beautiful people? Your girl was at it today, tena, and of course I tried a different way of cooking porridge ambayo inatumika maziwa, and of course blue band from Prestige. I do Prestige kabisa, and the rest you know, guys. So as you can see, niliweka maziwa ikaboil, and then nikaweka hiyo mkorogo ya maji na unga. Of course I do unga ya ugali. It's a bit, I don't know, I like it that way. So guys, mnaona at least, and then I stirred it up. Nili koroga vizuri, koroga as in well. And of course I gave it a few minutes kwanza, at least tuone venye kutenda, of course. So you can continue stirring it for a while. At least ndio mnaona imeanza kuwa nzito kidogo. You can see ndio imeanza. Of course hii unga inafaa hivyo, that's why. So you see, niliongeza maji kwanza. Kiasi maana yake ilikuwa mzito. Of course mimi nitatumia kikombe kunywa uji mtu wangu. That's why I prefer at least ikiwa nyepesi, lakini si nyepesi sana. So you can see, guys, and of course unafaa uipe muda ive vizuri ujitokote, so that you, of course, you get the taste. And yeah, finally we are about to get our results. At least ndio imeanza kuwa, and you can see, ukiangalia mkoona uji yenyewe inakaa uji. Yeah, of course, ilianza kutokota. I'm sure you guys are seeing, and imeanza kutokota. So tukifika hiyo stage, at least we are sure inakaribia kuiva vizuri. Yeah. And of course, baby girl treatment, I had to do the blue band na kukoroga. Amaniaje. Wow. And 2 tablespoons za sukari. Yeah. Test mtu wangu. Test kidogo. Yeah. Finally tumefika the last stage. Oh maniaje. Yay. Who is excited for this? Oh my god, look at the porridge. Hi kuiti kwa jina. You should try it, and then guys, let me know for comment section. It's easy, and of course very sweet. Bye guys.